What spacecraft are used for suborbital space flights? Imagine touching the edge of space, feeling weightless for a few moments, and then returning safely to Earth. That's what suborbital space flights are all about. They cross the boundary of space but don't go into orbit around the planet. Instead, they reach altitudes above 80 kilometers, which is the internationally recognized edge of space, then come back down. These missions are opening new doors for space tourism, scientific experiments, and testing new space technologies. The vehicles used for these flights come in different types. One popular kind is rocket-powered spaceplanes. For example, Virgin Galactic's SpaceShipTwo, also called VSS Unity, is a winged craft designed specifically for space tourists. It is carried high into the sky by a larger mothership aircraft, then released to ignite its rocket engine. It climbs above 80 kilometers, giving passengers a few minutes of weightlessness, then glides back to land on a runway. This process takes about 2 hours from start to finish, with a few minutes of actual weightless experience. Before SpaceShipTwo, Virgin Galactic flew SpaceShipOne, which was the first commercial vehicle to reach space into suborbital flights in 2004. NASA's X-15, a rocket-powered aircraft from the 1960s, also reached suborbital heights on some missions. It helped scientists learn about re-entry and spaceplane designs. Another type of vehicle is suborbital rockets. These are often called sounding rockets, and they are used for scientific research and technology testing. They can reach from 80 kilometers up to over 1,000 kilometers in altitude. Private companies like Copenhagen Suborbitals and organizations in China develop these reusable rockets. They are smaller and less complex than orbital rockets but serve important roles in space science. High-altitude balloons are also part of the suborbital scene. They are not spacecraft in the traditional sense but can reach near space altitudes of about 30 kilometers. They are used for long-duration experiments and testing equipment in conditions similar to space. They are cheaper and simpler, making them a good option for certain scientific missions. New vehicles are being developed around the world. Some are winged rockets or reusable capsules designed for space tourism and research. For example, Japan is working on the Pegasus suborbital rocket plane, while Russia is developing the RSSC reusable suborbital complex. Spanish company PLD Space is creating the Lince capsule for suborbital flights. Some of these vehicles are meant to be fully reusable, allowing for quick turnaround times and lower costs. All of these spacecraft and vehicles are helping to make space more accessible. They serve as platforms for testing new technologies, offering a taste of space for tourists, and conducting experiments that benefit science and industry. From winged spaceplanes to rockets and balloons, these tools are shaping the future of space travel and exploration.